Alright, so I'm out and about last night, chilling with my mans. We was driving and driving, but I just felt like some kind of resistance on my car. And let's just say, yeah, that's what it's looking like. About to go take my car to Mr. Tire, get a new tire shipped out, cause I mean, supposedly I might be shooting with my brother today. I don't know just yet. It's supposed to get a little bit of snow, but who knows, man, Maryland. If you know Maryland weather, you know. Let's go see what Mr. Tire's saying about this used tire.
It's frightening, I know that it's something. Tell you one thing, one day I'll be stunting. Slamming doors.
I had to run over a nail or something, cause it happened so instantaneously, you know, and then the way the tire was, it was extremely flat, like extremely flat. So I had to run over some type of nail, glass or something like that. But like I said, I'm gonna get this joint situated before this snow supposedly hits this ground. All right, and we are here. Mr. Tire. Let's see what they can do for me. All right, about to walk in this joint.
How you doing today?
Hey, how you doing, man? Yesterday I was just riding out and about at the end of the day, and then got a flat tire basically.
Right.
Got my donut on. Felt some resistance. The main tire's in the back.
Man, what's the year make about all this lead?
2019 Honda Accord. You don't mind if I vlog, do you, man?
No, you're good.
Cool.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in as a tire repair. The total right there.
How long we looking at?
Realistically, he's finishing up one now, so assuming that it's a tire repair, total time he's probably looking at like 40 minutes.
All right. Cool.
Just need the key from me.
All right, so it's nothing too crazy. We're looking at a cool little tire repair. $54. That's what I was expecting. Well, let's just hope it's a tire repair, cause this joint here gotta go. Gots to go. Yeah, we looking at like 40 minutes. Me, my shorty, and my brother about to get a spot. Create this like creative spot. It's kind of probably about to be like all of our offices. But so in the meantime, while I'm waiting on this tire, which you said 45 minutes, we set up 2 apartment tours. So we about to go view those right now. She should be here any moment. And of course, who comes strolling in? The savior. We gotta go though.
No, you didn't. No, you
I
didn't.
said you were closer to long growth than you are. It's gonna take you a short amount of time to get to longer hair than it is when you cut your hair to go back to long.
It'll just take me a year to get back to where I was.
Well, then enjoy that year. Hopefully we don't got no problems with me vlogging this. It's the second errand of the day. Got another spot to view. See what's up. Hey, nice aesthetics. It's pretty in here. Wait, what happened?
They're the first people to ever live in them. They're brand new.
Alright, wire, cool. I am recording. You are
Ready for that?
yeah, you looking good, man. You straight.
No balcony is $22.80, and then $454 with the balcony is $23.05.
No. I don't want to waste your time. So I'm tell you which one. So we could do the.
Yeah.
Do the one with no balcony. The living room's looking bigger, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's the same. So
$464.
No, it's not.
we'll do both of them with no balcony.
Oh,
I left my phone.
Need mine too.
I just need one.
I got mine. You get a new fucking wallet. Real quick question, YouTube. Do y'all like Christmas music?
You ready?
Oh yeah, we ready. I like this. My fire right there. Y'all like that fireplace? I like that.
Parking's included. That's great.
That's good.
Which could be $250.
A moment of truth. Oh, you
All
go
top
ahead.
floors have fireplace.
Hey, I do like this. It's pretty spacious though. Let's go through this joint, people. That's for the YouTube. All right, so I'm thinking this is the master. I'm liking that. I'm really liking this bathroom right here. It's pretty spacious. That's the shower, y'all. I mean, it's cool. I wish that damn fireplace was pushed back.
Yeah.
This the closet, YouTube. Low fireplace.
And also with the shower.
This fireplace really it light up?
Yes, really.
Oh shit.
I always get that question.
I don't know, man. 'Cause people probably don't think they burning fires in an apartment. This would be my brother's bathroom. I guess the lights don't work. You can call him right now.
No, it's okay. I'm just sending the video. Gotcha.
All right. This was good.
Thank you so much.
All right. So we seen one of the spots. Well, we seen two. Liked one, disliked the other. Now we about to go look at another spot. Open the door. It's cold. All right. On to the next apartment spot. All right. Location 2. What is this spot called? Belmont Station. Apartment 2. Oh, it is snowing now. I just seen something. Yeah, Belmont is the second location, so we about to check this out. Hopefully they don't got a problem with me recording. It is snowing though, y'all. I know earlier I said we supposed to get some snow today. It is snow. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see if I can stop. Y'all probably don't see it still, but it is snowing though. So I guess we went to the wrong entrance.
Yeah, like they moved it.
Show me why you passed your driver's license test.
Okay, I don't know if I promise you
Yeah, now we are officially here. Let's throw this back on. I wish I had somewhere better to put my mic at. Oh man, what am I doing? I had it on my jacket, but I told myself that my new spot was right here on the handle of the C70. Because that's better. It's pointing directionally at me.
Okay.
Right here. Okay.
Excuse my mask.
How you got?
So I know you're Olivia.
Yes.
What's your name?
I'm Valerie.
Valerie?
Just like that.
Nice to meet you. I'm Taylor.
So, yeah.
All right, so were you interested in the Lexington on the 3rd floor or the 4th floor? Fourth floor, okay. So this one on the 4th floor comes with the garage, so keep that in mind as well. And it's available January 6th.
Okay.
We just had a huge price drop, and
Yes.
along with blowout rates.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all can see, but the snow has started. Got snow dropping on my lens. I'm not a total fan of the snow, but I'm not totally against the snow. Cause I like the coziness that it brings, to be honest. But yeah, it started. Okay, Marilyn, I thought y'all was playing around. My phone in the car. I need that. Potential business opportunities, you know? Forgot my phone in the car. And one of the ladies just followed the business page. Just owning the camera, man. So many people stop. So many people ask questions because they want to know what you do. She says she runs a non-profit organization. We getting some of that winter snow right now, though. Hey, well, we have a white Christmas. Who knows? They said it's supposed to rain later, so you already know, how rain and snow mix. Create a whole bunch of mush and damn! Yeah. Look what I just did. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's time to upgrade. I wasn't about to spend the money, but now I got to. Look what I just did, y'all. Look what I just did. I'm still about to have a good day, but damn.
I didn't think it was.
Yeah, it's snowing. Second location.
This is a shower bridge.
The South Bridge. Ooh. Oh, y'all decorated this
You
out.
have your coat closet right here as well. Perfect. Oh, that's a perfect size. Okay. I use mine as a bedroom. Gotcha. Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yep.
That'd be perfect for a little one.
Yep, exactly. My little daughter. Yep, her room. That's her room.
I'm gonna take my shoes off.
Oh, you don't have to. Everybody walks around with their shoes. You're fine.
I ain't wanna, This bedroom pretty big.
You see the top.
Well, he knows that's my thing.
This bedroom pretty big. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Well, it's not pretty big, but just, you know, pretty spacious.
Oh, it's the tub for me.
Yeah, so right now we had another, this is the second apartment complex. First apartment viewing at this complex. Well, this one's cool. I like this bed frame, but you know,
I'm a fan.
I like it because I like the way they furnish the joint, which is probably another, you know, $20,000 worth of money. But it's definitely nice though, for sure. I gotta use the bathroom, y'all. All right, y'all, we at the last and final spot. I'm about to get in here, man. I gotta use this bathroom. I don't care. And it ain't number one. I'm on this shit. I left my phone in the car again. I need to call Mr. Tire about the tire. Shit. I'm really the type of dude to put this in the vlog. Cause I don't care. Pretty clean bathroom, but y'all know I still lace that toilet up. If y'all go to public bathrooms and y'all lace the toilet up, you nasty. Sit your ass down. Them toilets, everybody sit their ass down. This joint laced up. Big tissue on deck. Gotta wash your hands. And that's for safety. Get some more on that joint. Let me show y'all how to wash your hands in case y'all ain't know. And there's soap on this joint. I guess this soap just don't get soapy. Yeah, let's get back to the toilet. Come on. I get what you're saying.
Gotcha.
Nah, I'm loving the architecture.
Oh, I like it because it has the two.
And that loft's pretty big.
Upstairs?
It's actually
It's like a storage room. Got a loft going upstairs, y'all. It's the loft room area.
I think Amanda's down there today, so
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You too.
guys, I'm so sorry.
Damn, I need a J. I need some soup. Just chill, I'll be good. It's getting crazy out here though. We just got done with the tour. I'm back on my car. I don't know, man. Don't sound like no good news we got here. They ain't done with it. But we gonna see what they can do. We still got the donut on here. We're gonna see what's up.
My fault.
You good, man? You good?
All right, so there's a hole in the side. Hey, DJ. Long story short, once DJ points it out, we'll see where it's at. But the tire can't be fixed because of where the location of it is.
Oh, the hole?
Yeah.
All right.
You remember where it was at? It was right there, because that joint is, I think it is that.
All right, so what we looking at, like a
So, unfortunately, we can't fix it, so you'd be looking at a new tire. I have the exact same tire. So it is the most expensive tire that we sell.
Jeez.
Well, not that we sell, but the most expensive tire in your tire size.
right, because of them big ass rims.
Yeah, so there's other Michelin tires that we have, but that one is,
You got any good used ones?
nah, we don't do anything with used. Like basically they go into a pile and somebody comes and they grind them up and do whatever it is they do with them.
All right, so how expensive we talking?
So this one I want to say was like $265. And I mean, I do got cheaper tires. That's the exact same one that you got on it. All right, let's slide up front here because
Appreciate that too, bro.
I'm supposed to automatically go with what you got on the car.
Right.
That's why I started off by telling you. Like,
Right. I mean,
Yeah, it's 267 is that exact tire. But
that's what we dealing with, man. Thought I was just gonna be able to come here, get a quick plug. Nah. God want me to blow a bag and miss the tires.
175.75 on the for the Kelly.
When it comes to these tires and stuff, man, like what's the differences between them of the price that makes the price points different?
So part of it's name.
Right.
Like for example, the Kelly is a Goodyear tire. They got another Goodyear tire that is gonna be $30 more than what the Kelly is, and because it says Goodyear and not Kelly, it's more expensive. The Kelly's just as good. Honestly, I think it's better, but I'm gonna say just as good as that other one. Same mileage warranty, 55,000 miles, same tread wear rating, same traction rating.
All that, just the fucking name.
Difference is the name.
You said the Kelly's 175?
Yeah, 175 and 75 cents.
Yeah, man, let's do that. How long we looking at?
If I ask him, he's gonna say 5 minutes. I'm gonna say no more than 10 minutes.
I ain't got no choice right now, so yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna have him throw it on.
All right, can I record him? Yeah. I like the lights y'all got up in here.
DJ, I'm gonna grab your tire real quick.
They about to let me record the joint. We in the chop shop with it. We ain't in the chop shop, but y'all know what I mean. Hey, so we out of here now. Roll that window up. Jeez. Oh. Yeah, so my camera about to die. I'm about to go holler at my mans real quick probably. I'm gonna charge back up. This ain't the end of this vlog. But if it does turn into the end of this vlog, it was a good one, for real. But we out here in the snow, man. I'm gonna focus on this road, all right?